So today is our Ina HoʻOpulapula Mele Hula Conference. This allows people to stay connected with not just our Hawaiian homestead lands, but also with Prince Kūhiō and what he's done for us. But through the teachings of our songs, dance, and even arts given from our land, we are able to perpetuate these in different ways and also learn more and stay connected with our identity. We have from youth to kūpuna, so we have a really wide range of folks that attend this conference. So these lands come with mele and history that we can still talk about today, because through the voice and song, we relive it every day.
This year, I feel like we stepped it up. He stepped it up, and now it's like bigger, and we have more kumus that are here to help teach the Hawaiian culture.
It's very important because when the government was overthrown, a lot was lost. Not just our people and our population, but the language. My grandparents were banned from speaking ʻōlelo Hawaii in school. And so it's important that now we're in this time of moving forward, not being bitter about what happened in the past, but being positive of how we can promote it in the future.
Through what they learn here, they can take it and practice it out, because that's where the true mission happens as people, whether you're Hawaiian or not, you're as a resident here. Anybody who is learning the culture that they are living in or with can take it with them and apply it to their own lives.
Today we were practicing a new hula, and yeah, he was just teaching us everything about it, and I gotta say, it's amazing. I feel like it was important for me to come so that I could carry on and the Hawaiian culture, so that I could keep living, you know?
I hope they have fun and learn a lot about all these different like meles, hulas, and the knowledge that's going on. And I hope they get to spread it around and teach other people about our Hawaiian culture.
Sometimes we look at hula and mele as a cultural experience or a field trip, or just something that somebody does, or a call-up, or just a side topic, or either extremely activist and very scary to approach. What I hope to do with this organization is to show everybody, especially when it comes to hula and mele specifically, that all of these things are connected to the outside world. It's just how you're viewing them and how you're going to apply it to your life today.